Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. Square, I've been talking about Square for some time now, and to me, Square has been quite a revolution. So, yesterday, or 2 days ago, Square revealed that they are going to build a hardware wallet for Bitcoin. Now, that's quite a bold step, and I wanted to discuss what are the implications of building this particular uh, um, hardware wallet, and what implications or what the investors should know based on this particular news that has come up on this particular news. So I wanted to take a shot at this particular analysis and then try and give you some guidance on the same, development that has happened 2 days ago. So let's dive in. Before we do that, please like my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Please smash that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Please comment on my videos and please share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my research, from my analysis, and from my videos. So let's dive in. So first, let's try and understand Square hardware wallet for Bitcoin. So what does it mean? So the head of hardware at Square, Jess Dorogoskar, he put up a tweet yesterday saying that to make Bitcoin custody more mainstream. So that's the objective of having a Square hardware wallet. So Bitcoin wallet now can be stored offline or online at cryptocurrency exchanges. So it's giving you more control. So democratizing the holding and also the capability to control your Bitcoins. So there, he says that there will be venues where Bitcoins can be bought and sold for traditional currencies or other virtual coins. With a non-custodial wallet, you have sole control over private keys, which in turn control your cryptocurrency and prove that the funds are yours and only yours. But with a custodial wallet, another party controls your private keys. Most custodial wallets are web-based exchange wallets. So you know that the exchanges hold your wallet. So I did speak about Binance and why Binance is becoming a problem for many countries, and that is the reason here, and that is the reason why you need to have a hardware wallet. So that was the tweet which was put up yesterday, actually, 9th of July 9th. So that is the new development in the crypto world, and it's a remarkable development. Now, what should the crypto investors know? So, this tells you about the growing popularity and acceptance of Bitcoin. And not just Bitcoin, actually, in this particular case, it's Bitcoin, but even Ethereum. Uh, Bitcoin and Ethereum are going to be used for every transaction. It will be acceptable almost universally very soon, and the governments also will have to accept and build an ecosystem to to help the acceptance of these two cryptos. Second, Square has a great technological edge, which is very evident from the fact that the head of hardware himself goes out um, and speaks about this particular new message. And on top of that, this leadership, the CEO, Jack Dorsey, who's also the co-founder and CEO of Twitter, is behind all of this. He is driving this particular revolution in the crypto technology world. He's really a visionary, and you have to give it to him for both managing two big technology companies. He's the CEO of two companies, and he's driving Square to the ultimate levels. So you really have to give it to Jack, and he's to me a great example of how you could be successful as a technology entrepreneur. So Square stock has a great future, which is very, very obvious. I did a video on this particular aspect a few weeks ago. I'll put that in the card above. Go take a look at it. So overall, I would think Square is the future in terms of how cryptocurrency how cryptocurrency will evolve, just like how Apple changed the entire paradigm in the mobile world when they introduced iPhone for the first time in 2008, and so Square is leading that particular visionary direction, in my opinion. Now, I'm not saying that there aren't any other company who's leading it in the crypto world. To me, Ethereum is also a visionary company. I mean, Buterin himself is visionary. So there are other. I keep talking about Ren, but Square is really far ahead of most of its counterparts. And I think if you are an investor and you're looking for a great opportunity or a great stock to invest in or a great crypto to invest in, go for Square. If Bitcoin grows, Square will grow. Even if Bitcoin doesn't grow, Square will still grow. So that's what I will leave before I take this, leave it to you as a key takeaway before I go away. So that's what it is. So I hope this information and knowledge and this analysis is useful to you as an investor. Go do more research before you put in your money. But Square stock and Square crypto are here to stay. That's the final message from me. That's it, guys. So I have an ebook which is on my journey as an entrepreneur. It's titled Six Figure Corporate Job to Master Entrepreneur, where I've spoken about me leaving my six-figure globe-trotting corporate job back in 2010 and how how I built my own company in two countries, in Singapore and in India, and with representations in the North American market, and what are the challenges I face and how I overcame all the challenges. And I've also put in 3 worksheets in the ebook, which are mainly to gauge the mindset of an aspiring entrepreneur. You could score yourself and see where you stand. I've scored myself as well, and you would know how much I scored and what are the implications of that score. You will get that ebook on the link which is flashing on the screen. That's my website. I will put that in the description box below as well. Please go ahead and put down your name and email address, and the link to download the book will be emailed to your inbox. I hope you like the book. So thank you very much for listening to me. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital technology and marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. My LinkedIn URL will be in the description box below. Go ahead and connect with me. I regularly work with companies where I try and help them in their business, marketing, financial, and technological challenges. If you're looking for engaging me as a consultant in your company, please drop me a line on message on LinkedIn, or you could contact me on my website, on my contact page. A link to that will be in the description box below. I will reach out to you for a conference call to decide or evaluate how we can work together. So please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell, and please share my videos so that people who really could benefit from my knowledge and research and my videos could to take a look look at my videos. So that's it, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, take care, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye bye.